Welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. This is my last recipe for Trinidad Sunday Lunch Series. I'm going to be making boiled plantain and sweet potato that goes really well with our Sunday lunch in Trinidad. If you want to see how I do this simple little recipe, keep watching. My water is boiling, and all I'm going to do is just add the plantain to the boiling water and also the sweet potato. That's how easy it is. And then I'll just cover it and let it boil for maybe around 20 minutes or so, and I'll try stick a knife in there and see if it's cooked, ready to go. After 20 minutes of boiling, this is what it looks like. See, the skin is coming off very easy. I'll just put it on the side here. Like that. And the plantain, it opens when it boils, and this is what this one looks like. I'm going to show you how we slice it. See, looks perfect. Look at that. It's nice, it's tender. Same with the plantain. I'll just slice it up here. That's it, all ready to go. This is the end of my Trinidad Sunday Lunch Series. I wanted to show you how everything comes together and what it looks like. So here I have placed a nice platter with everything that I've been making on my Sunday Lunch Series, and I want to show it to you. So here it is. Here is my tossed green salad, my potato salad with red onions, sweet potato, boiled plantain, red bean, and in there is my callaloo. My boiled rice is just plain brown rice that I boiled. I'm going to turn it around. Stew chicken and my macaroni pie. Beautiful, beautiful. Looks lovely. Hope you enjoyed looking at my videos, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.